Have you ever needed to reach far into a vehicle's engine bay or navigate a tight space? These set of wrenches right here are really good because these are super extra long. You can compare it to a standard size and you are getting so much more bang for your buck and allowing you to get just that extra bit of leverage and get into tight spaces. And I'll show you what this toolkit has to offer. The Suzume 10-piece extra long ratcheting wrench set. This thing is super cool. It has 8mm all the way up through 22mm. This also has a nice little tray that can fit in any tool chest out there, which is really nice as well. These are 72 teeth ratchets, which is great. These things are also made out of a heat-treated chrome-vanadium steel, which allows you to use them really well. I got these because they are extra long. I got a number of projects coming out that I'm going to be using these, that I needed some nice long tools. And so let's go ahead and open this guy up. One other thing that I didn't mention, it does also come with a really nice carrying case that is Velcro, and also a little guide to all that this company has to offer. This right here is the 22. It is obviously the biggest and longest. This is your 72 ratchet, forward and reverse. You do have to flip it for that. Pretty awesome. So I brought two of my snap-on wrenches out. These are just basic size wrenches. So let's go ahead and pull a 12mm and compare the sizes. You can see just how big it is. I mean, it's nearly 2 times the size. This is going to let you get down into engine bays and be able to reach where you need to much easier than a smaller basic size. So I mean, if you're looking for something that you need to get down into a tight space, this is going to work well. Like I said, I have a number of projects coming up that you're going to see on this channel that are that way. And then here is my 19mm. So let's go ahead and compare sizes on this guy as well. You can see that it is even bigger than a normal 19 as well. So these things truly are extra large, which I really do appreciate. And they just feel like they are made really well. Like, I'm excited to put some oomph behind these and see how well they do. Let's go ahead and look at what sizes you get. You get an 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, and 22. These are your basic sizes for most vehicles out there that use the metric system on their bolts and nuts. So this is a pretty complete set here. Let's go ahead and take these out and test them. One of the things I like about this set is it does come with this nice foam pad that allows you to put all of your tools back into place so you know where they're at. It's also really easy to figure out what tool is what size as well. So this is a really good kit here. With these extra long ratcheting wrenches, you can get into tight places like with strut bolts. Being able to get all 3 of those is really key, and having one tool to do it makes it all the better. And because they're so long, you can even use it to remove a serpentine belt. This is a 14mm on a Honda, and you'll put it on there, push up, and it'll give you access to loosen it up so you can pull the belt right off. You can even use it on hood bolts where you don't have a whole lot of room to get a ratchet in there, so you can just go ahead and take this and use that ratcheting wrench to quickly put it back into place and tighten down properly. So here are my overall thoughts on this kit. I really like how long each one of these are. These are like super extra long, really helps you get in to some hard places to get to. I like that it has the ratcheting on one side and just the standard 12 point on the other, so you can choose what you want to do. It has a nice little foam case that's clearly labeled. I do like that as well. This worked really well on my truck, and I got a big project coming up that you're going to be seeing me use these tools on my Ridgeline. I'm replacing the rear CV axles, and so that'll be really good to see. One thing I do like about it is they seem to be holding up very well. This is that CRV steel that is heat treated chrome, and just seems to like not get beat up super easy. Overall, I really like this product. If you're looking for an extra long ratcheting wrench set from 8mm to 22mm at a 72 teeth, check this out. I'll have a link down in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done so yet. That helps me grow my channel so I can bring you more videos just like this.